So I've just had what I think is going to be my favorite session of Inbound 2020. It was Sell from Anywhere, Why Those Who Adapt Will Win. Now, the reason I love this session so much is that the stats and the data that was being pulled out was just mind-blowing. For example, 78% of customers buy from the first company that responds to them. Now that stat drops 80% if that response takes longer than 5 minutes. And when you consider that we're already kind of fighting for attention anyway, email open rates are kind of dropping because send rates are becoming so high. You know, the number of sales and marketing emails that are coming through right now are just going through the roof because, you know, naturally we don't know where else to go. So what's the answer? How can we kind of fight for that attention? How can we make sure that that response is within that 5-minute window? Is it live chat? Is it social media? Is it video grabbing attention? Maybe it's just a case of convenience and being where our customer wants us to be at the right time. Thoughts?